去哪儿
Huh?
In this short lesson, we'll focus on a commonly mispronounced Chinese word, 出租车 taxi.
出租车、出租车、出租车。
什么? So let's break it down. The first character, 出, means to exit. The second character, 租, means to rent. The third character, 车, means vehicle or car. When combined, these characters form the word for taxi. 出租车. So what makes this word hard to say? Well, for some, it feels strange and robotic to say 3 first tones in a row.
出租车、
So they accidentally change one of the tones.
出租车。
To get comfortable with this, just hum 3 first tones. 出租车. The other thing that trips learners up is that the word contains a combination of sounds that are tricky to say. So let's first get it right slowly. Ch. To make this sound, place the tip of your tongue against the roof of your mouth, just behind your upper front teeth. Then release the air with a slight friction sound. Practice with me. Ch. 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 Oo. To make this sound, round your lips and let the air flow through your mouth without any friction. Ooh. 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 Ch. Ooh. Chu. Ch. Ooh. Chu. Ts. The pinyin ts is like the ts sound in the English word beds. To make this sound, place the tip of your tongue against the roof of your mouth, just behind your upper front teeth, and then release the air with a slight friction sound. Tss, 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 oo, zu, tss, oo, zu. To make this sound, relax your mouth and let the air flow through your mouth without any friction. Ch, 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 ch. Now that we know the correct pronunciation, let's practice together. 出租车，出租车，出租车。Good. Now let's put it into a sentence. 我需要一辆出租车。I need a taxi. 我需要一辆出租车。请帮我叫一辆出租车。Please help me call a taxi. 请帮我叫一辆出租车。And that's it. Now you know how to correctly pronounce 出租车. So keep practicing and you'll be hailing taxis in China like a pro. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful Chinese lessons. 好了，我是 Angel，我们下次见。